Hello, my name is Jeffrey Bryan. I'm going to be discussing the video that we watched, which is called The Problem We're Solving. So first I'm going to talk about some of the biggest takeaways that I got from the video. So first off, this video defined what a problem is, but it's pretty much a situation that needs to be dealt with and overcome. And I saw that the video really emphasized the word needs to be dealt with, or it needs to have a solution. And it needs to be an impactful problem that would not only impact a small pool of people, but impact a whole group of people. So, in order to have a problem, this problem needs to be solved. It can't be a problem and you not really know where to go about with it, or if you're not even sure if there's even a solution for it. And also, when you get your problem, make sure it's not a symptom of another problem. Make sure it's actually the source of the problem. And also, when you get your problem, don't only try to depict your problem yourself. Go to other people and see if your problem actually makes sense, and maybe they can give you advice on how to go about the problem. They don't mean that they're smarter than you or they have better sense of what you're doing, but they can give you ideas that you wasn't really thinking about yourself. So the video really talked about spend a lot of time depicting the problem before you go into the solution. A lot of people want to go straight into coding and not really understand what the actual problem is. So when they get into the code, they realize they went about the wrong way because their problem wasn't really a problem that they thought it was. So, as a couple quotes said in the video, that the problem comes first, then the business will. So make sure that you understand the problem very well and spend a lot of time depicting the problem, deriving the problem, and finding the source of the problem before you decide to move on. And after the problem is defined, then you can come up with a solution, which will go over the other three components, which is make sure that its solution be impactful, make sure that it be sustainable, and also make sure it be scalable. Now, an app that I believe that would be helpful in today's time is an app that will help you get rid of long lines at the grocery store. Now, I've seen people get frustrated at cashiers or have lack of patience when it comes to standing in line, especially when there's only two lines open and there's 26 cashier lines available. But I believe there's an app, well, I want to develop an app where a person can scan their products as they go shop at the store. And once they're done, they're able to complete their purchase on the phone and it'll show a receipt. So I believe that this will be very helpful and it'll save a lot of time in the grocery store as well. And a app I believe that's solving a real problem today, I researched an app called, I believe it's Parking, where it will search for you parking spots that's available near you, and you'll be able to reserve that spot. And this will be very helpful when it comes to LA areas because LA can get very packed and you're not really sure where to park at. So this app will help you beforehand and get you your reserved spot and even show you how much the spot is. So sometimes you get to a parking area and it turns out to be $20, but that's your last resort because you've been searching for so long you end up paying that $20. So this app will help you look for the cheapest spots available. And an example of an app that doesn't really appear to solve a problem, I believe like social media apps, they don't really solve problems, they just create an entertainment spec. But that's pretty much it. Thank you.